In this video, I'm going to show you how to link an email in Framer in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick if you want visitors to contact you quickly by clicking a button or text link that opens their email app automatically. It's perfect for contact pages, portfolio sites, service pages, and any Framer project where you want to make communication easy. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Framer tips and no-code tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside the editor, look for the text or button you want to turn into an email link. This could be a simple line of text like email me or a button like contact us. The great thing about Framer is that linking an email is very straightforward once you know where to look. Now select the text or button element. After that, go over to the right side panel. This is where Framer keeps the settings for the element you've selected. In that panel, find the option labeled link and click on it. When the link settings open, choose URL as the link type. This tells Framer that you want to connect the element to a web-style link destination. Now here's the key step. In the URL field, type mailto followed by the email address you want people to send messages to. For example, you can enter mailto : your email at example.com. Make sure you type it correctly because this is what tells the browser and email app to open a new message directly to that address. If you want, you can replace the example email with your own business email, personal email, or support inbox depending on what your website needs. Once the email address is entered, double-check everything to make sure there are no spelling mistakes. A small typo here can stop the link from working properly, so it's always worth reviewing before publishing. After that, click Publish in Framer to make the changes live on your website. Publishing is important because that's what pushes your updated email link from the editor onto the actual site your visitors will see. After your site is published, test the link by opening your live page and clicking the text or button you linked. If everything is set up correctly, your device should open the default email app or browser mail composer with the recipient already filled in. That means your visitors can send you a message with just one click, which makes your site feel much more professional and user-friendly. This method works especially well if you want a clean, simple contact option without adding a full form. It's fast, easy, and perfect for users who prefer emailing directly. You can also apply the same idea to multiple buttons or text links throughout your Framer site if you want to make your contact details more accessible. So to recap, open your project, select the text or button, click link in the right panel, choose URL, enter mailto : your email address, and then publish your site. That's all it takes to link an email in Framer. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Framer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.